grow your business from mildly successful to awesome. I know, it's not quite the good to great flow of Jim Collins' book by the same name, yet the idea of growing your business to a new level of success is usually what you want as a business owner or an entrepreneur. Remember the math classes you had back in your K-12 classes? Every generation experiences what educators call the new math. So here's the new take on new math for stepping up your business results. I'm Sylvia Henderson, your idea implementation expert at sylviahenderson.com. I transform ideas to action. My new math for you involves 4 simple operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. No calculus or differential equations. I found advanced math too challenging, so I like to keep things simple. But here's how my math stacks up for your business results. So the first order of operation is addition. So step up your business by adding a new product or service. And if that doesn't appeal to you, then add value to what you already offer. The second order of operation is subtraction. So create operational efficiencies and better organization by releasing or subtracting what's not essential to your mission or serving you, your company, and your clients. The third order of operation is multiplication. Develop systems for replicating and duplicating your business and your service delivery processes to make expansion and growth consistent, procedural, and manageable. When you have documented processes, you can grow exponentially. You can bring on people to relieve you from working in your business to working more on your business as its rainmaker. And the fourth order of operation is division. Divide responsibilities and delegate for expertise to those in your company who can focus and niche and do things better than you can as a generalist. And your business will grow when only you do the things that only you can and should do as the company leader. Apply these new math ideas to your business and grow from mildly successful to awesome. And let me help you apply this new math so that you can go figure and transform your ideas to action. If you like what you heard and you saw here, connect with me at sylviahenderson.com. Stay up to date with my tips and guidance to move your ideas to income and to impact the world. Let's start with a conversation to see how I might serve you or your organization to implement your ideas and to get things done.